Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to talk about the tips and tricks of this Realme smartphone, that is private space, how to use it. So first you have to come to the videos, allow this. So when you just click on the gallery application, so here you have to type in the search and write gallery, or you can write photos instead. Click on collections, click on get started, allow collections, don't allow, and here it is the photos. So you can just simply tap on anything like this and click on the three button. You can see here move to folder, copy to folder. There are move to logged folder. You can use as this to go to private space. So this is how you can enable that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.